Hey guys, happy Monday. I've got another diamond pattern for you today, so let's get started. With your two middle cords, tie one double half hitch knot. These two cords will now become your filler cords. Working on the right, tie 5 double half hitch knots working down. Working on the left, tie 5 double half hitch knots working down. Move back to the right side of your work. Using the inside strand as your filler cord, tie 5 double half hitch knots. Start your row about half an inch down from your first row, but as you work your way to the end of your row, it should connect back up with the first row. Repeat that same process on the left side of your work. Using the 4 center cords, tie a square knot. Using the 2 left cords from the center and 2 more cords from the left, tie another square knot. Repeat on the right-hand side of your work. Using the 4 center cords, tie one more square knot. The bottom of the diamond is symmetrical to the top. To create the bottom, start on the outside and work inwards. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.